Hello, knee-high kids. My name is Miss Porter, and I'm just coming from a beautiful birthday party. But I wanted to take out some time to go over some sight words with you. I have my friends along with me, Leo and Marcus. So when I do this, you repeat after me, and then I'm going to listen out for what I said to you. Okay, let's get started. The first sight word is A. Can you say A? Very good. The next sight word is I. Can you say I? Good job. Of. Can you say of? At. Can you say at? And. Can you say and? Awesome. The next word is play. Can you say play? Big. Can you say big? Run. Can you say run? Can. Say can. Said. Say the word said. Come. Say the word come. Like. Can you say the word like? Last word is what. Can you say the word what? Good job. 2 thumbs up. Very good, Leo and Marcus. You think they did good? You deserve a cupcake. You get a reward for saying your words so good. I am so proud of you. So, thank you for joining me today. And I hope you recite these words again. You can go back over what we've already discussed and you practice. All right? Hugs and kisses. Mwah. Bye-bye now.